Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are doing very well. If you want to learn or if you want to teach your children Quran, some du'as, Arabic skills, and Arabic Quran translation, then contact with us. First of all, we teach the Quran like that. First of all, we give them Quran surah or like that, the Quran some ayahs as a new lesson, and like that some du'as. Here is Allahumma at'im man at'amani wasqi man saqani, like that in translation in English, and like that some Arabic skills, okay, some Arabic rules, so we can apply on Arabic, and on this way we will learn, we will know the Quran easily. Like here, how we can use here, like we can use here is for she for third person, she is my sister, here ukhti, like that, huwa he is my brother, like huwa akhi, like that. And like that, the Quran translation here is the Surah Fatiha. We started Alhamdu Lillahi Rabbil Alameen. We will teach them the Urdu also. तमाम तारीफें अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त के लिए हैं जो तमाम जहानों का पालने वाला है. Like that we can translate in Arabic, and like that in English we will teach them like, all praise due to Allah, Lord of the worlds.